So, the non-voice Mimi continues and shit. So we're laying down, taking a little bit of a power nap. This is the hour, like, between 30 minutes and an hour every day. We try to just disconnect from the internet because really, when you're in social media, we're in, like, YouTube and Twitch, so blah. It's nice to unplug just for a few minutes a day and calm down, spend time with each other, and she can't really say anything but look cute, so she's going to sit there and smirk, smile, make funny faces at you, and point at stuff. I have no idea. Write it in the air. Too fast. Slow down. C. J. E. Facepalm. C and whisper it. Try.
Say it out to him.
What?
Say it out to him.
Her voice is so totally gone. Say good afternoon. Good afternoon, M.N.M's. How are we doing? She's so more used to this, and then she hits me in the face. I'm taking care of you, and you hit me in the face. You're so rude. I bought you soup. I bought you soup. You're such a dork. I got her soup and crackers and chicken milk and Mieshellm mix, and so I gotta take care of my baby. Yep. That face palm though. Look, my whole hand covers your entire head. Wow.
So, feeling a little bit better. Not 100%. My throat still hurts. But I can talk now. At least I'm not squeaking. Okay, I'm still squeaky, but before I couldn't talk at all. So, this is a step. My interview yesterday went really well. Actually, I got a call back today, and she says that she's not going to be hiring me on full-time for general manager, but she does want me to hire on full-time for one of her employees. So that's better than nothing, and I'm just excited to actually have a full-time job now, so that's pretty much what's going on. I'm uploading the vlog now, and then I'm probably gonna pass out. Like, I've only been awake for an hour, and then I sleep for like 5 hours, and then I wake up for an hour, and then I sleep for 5 hours. So I just ate something, and now I'm getting pretty exhausted again. My entire like jaw here by my ear is all swollen. Down the back of my neck is swollen, and then right here is swollen too, and I'm just like, it's annoying to be sick. Yep. And now Toby is on toy number 2. You are so cute, little Tobes. Yeah. So cute. He's like, Mom, leave me alone. I feel like this has become the most silent vlog we've ever done.
Yeah.
Ever.
It's like 1920s vlog. Is there something?
silent vlog ever. So, yeah. There's a time I drink like really hot broth. It feels better, but it still hurts so bad. What do you think I got on the back of my throat?
I have no idea what the hell you call it.
Ew. I'm gonna have to do this. I'm not excited.
Gargle, don't swallow.
Does it have to be warm?
Yeah, it has to. There's no point. You can't dissolve salt in cold water. It doesn't work that way.
It's still not dissolved. Look at that. It's cloudy.
It's sea salt. Just gargle.
Oh.
Don't swallow, just gargle it. You only need a little mouthful and gargle in the back of your throat.
It burns. Oh, ow. It burns.
You have an infection in the back of your throat. Of course it's going to burn. Like I said, the salt is supposed to draw the infection out. You got to do it again. You did the pussy one. You got to do the real one now. Come on, be a man. Or a woe man. Be a woe man.
Oh, that hurts to even do that. Jeez.
Alright. Gotta notice your mouth out. Where are you going? Yeah, meh. She's going meh. That makes a lot of sense. You want to turn the slide up for you?
Baby puppy Toby? What?
You want to turn the slide up for you?
What? I like the hair, dude.
Thanks.
You're welcome, dude. What? What? Hello, cute man, you. Well, that's a little creepy, scary look.
You're mean.
Anyway, we're going to go to bed. I'm pretty exhausted. Michael's pretty exhausted too. You guys can tell. This little boy's pretty exhausted too. We're pretty exhausted. Hey.
Hey, what?
Hey.
What?
Hey.
What?
Look at the camera. Peace out, you guys.
Oh, Jesus.
For the day. It sounds so lethal. Wait. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. No. Look at him. He buried himself and he's wagging his tail. You're such a weirdo. Aww. He loves Daddy.
Give him paw, Tubbs. Give him paw. Shake.
I usually say paw, but I have to snap my fingers.
Paw. I
No.
didn't say bite. Paw.
Yep, got it.
Yeah,
It's a work in progress.
apparently.
He gets so cute and adorable when we're trying to get some sleep.
He's like, pay attention to me.
I want that attention. Don't bite. Hey, be nice.
What? I got your butt.
Good boy. Alright guys, we'll definitely see you tomorrow. Was one of those vlogs where we really didn't do anything. I slept all day because I wasn't feeling good and he was at work, so it was a boring day, but hey, he still vlogged. Excuse me.
Just your entertainment for the moment.
The puppy.
That's what we do. Act. Go.
He's just so cute. He's like, pay attention. I want attention. Whoa, you
Oh.
almost just got your face.
I gotcha. I gotcha. Now what? Huh? You want to fight, punk? You want to fight? Apparently he said yes.
You're so cute. Be sweet. Be sweet.
Pa?
Be sweet. Crazy dog. Alright, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Go ahead and click that blue box for
Yesterday's vlog and hit the green box for tomorrow's vlog. Poor Micheal's throat's so screwed up, so I'm going to knock this one out for her again. Hit that subscription button if you want to join our little family and kind of keep up with what's going on in our world. Leave a like or comment if you're so inclined. Or dislike and discomment, or whatever you want to call it. It's okay, you know. And we hope you guys stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog, because tomorrow will be more exciting. Tomorrow we're eating chicken soup.
more chicken soup. I ate like 3 bowls of chicken soup today.
And tomorrow we're going to eat more chicken soup. Stay tuned next time when you'll hear me say...
Arr.
Later, guys.